Hello and welcome to this BORIS Software training video. In this video, we're going to cover the equipment certificates. Equipment certificates work the same way as the training certificates shown in the previous video, but are used for different purposes. A BORIS system administrator can upload a certificate and assign it to an operative, allowing them to access it on the BORIS app and present it on site when required. Equipment certificates are stored in a separate area of the app and are used for equipment-specific certifications, such as forklifts, scissor lifts, cherry pickers, and other plant or access machinery. Instead of carrying a paper copy, operatives can show proof of certification directly from their device. To do this, navigate to Documentation and then Equipment Certificates. Select Add Equipment Certificate in the top right corner. Unlike training certificates, equipment certificates can be allocated to a group of users. This is useful if you have multiple operatives trained to operate the same type of equipment. Training certificates are allocated to individual users only. If you require different allocation options, this can be configured. Just speak to BORIS support. For this training example, I'm going to allocate the certificate to an individual user. I'll select BORIS Training as the user. For the description, I'll enter Forklift Certificate. Notes are optional, but in most cases, it's simplest to attach the certificate itself. I'm now going to upload a dummy PDF file to represent the certificate. You can upload PDFs or images, depending on whether you have a scanned document or a photograph. Once uploaded, I'll save the entry. At this point, the system creates a record of the equipment certificate. And as an administrator, you can see all certificates assigned to different users. Now let's look at how this appears on the mobile application. I'll tap Receive Updates, then navigate to Documentation and select Equipment Certificates. As you can see, the forklift certificate is now visible. If I'm approached on site and asked to show proof of certification, I can open the entry and display the PDF file directly on my phone or tablet. This certificate remains available on the device until it is removed by an administrator. To remove it, I return to the portal, select the certificate, update the status, and delete the record. To see the effect on the mobile app, tap the Receive Updates and then navigate to Documentation and Equipment Certificates. You can see the certificate is no longer visible. That concludes a quick overview of the equipment certificate functionality within the BORIS system. Thank you for watching this BORIS training video.